And I say, this kitchen is 3 years old, how clean it is.
Have you just done this first coming today?
No, this is like this always. If I put a teapot out of place, the commander-in-chief scolds me.
John.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
Very good, thanks. This Wickes kitchen's been approximately 3 years old. You go there and they've got about 10 different types of kitchen. But on top of that, you've got a selection of colours and doors and worktops and so forth. So you can mix and match really to every kitchen design you would require. One of the people we liked was the designer. He wanted to do everything he could for us, and he showed us how the kitchen would look. And you can't ask more. He really was the main reason why we probably bought this kitchen. Work surfaces. I mean, it's no good having a great kitchen if you've got nowhere to work. And as you can see from this kitchen, there's quite a lot of workspace. And again, access really, because when you're working, if you want something, you just turn around and it's there. Jan, my wife, really wanted the kitchen that she wanted. And Julian showed her the different, kind of arrangements that can be done. And, if you want something moved, it's just a matter of doing it on the computer. And then that is changed and you can see the end result straight away. In the centre of the worktop, the pop-up plug. You're always going to use mixers and toasters and whatever. I mean, those little innovations make the kitchen work. Yeah, I mean, let's face it, unless you're a multi-millionaire or you win the lottery, a kitchen of this type is, for the average family, a considerable sum. But when you consider it may be here 15, 20 more years, when you look at the durability of it, then you're prepared to obviously pay that type of money for a very, very nice kitchen. The integrated hob, which is the new one where it actually sucks all the steam down. Brilliant piece of equipment. And as I say, it just blends in with the rest of the kitchen. Yes, I've already done so. Therefore, my niece has gone and done the same kitchen. And that's what you want when you're designing a kitchen. You want to know what is possible and what really works. And that is the great thing about Wickes, really.
Cut. Brilliant.